Hey guys, what I want to work on today is actually trimming out the front clip here. Now you guys had some great ideas of welding steel rod to the end of it. I've done that on seats, it's a nice look, but on this one, when it gets down here, it widens out to almost 2 inches and it has this pattern here to follow. Now, my plan is just to use sheet metal, about 1.5 inch strip, and go along it and then flare it out and follow the contour of this piece here. Now, 2 major problems I see. 1, I can't weld to the molding, and 2, that's got to be able to move. So, I think we'll start with a template, see if we can get it to contour right, and then we'll go from there. Well, it fits, but I don't like the look. I mean, it's just taking this sharp edge and putting it that way. I just don't like it. So, I'll try a couple other ideas. Hey guys, if you liked this video, do me a favor, click that like button. And if you haven't already done it, click subscribe. Ring that bell and choose all to get all the notifications every time we post something new. Thanks guys. Alright, so I spent the last 1.5 hours out here trying different things, trying to get a visual on it. And I think I've come up with what I want to do. Of course it's the one with the most work. So, we tried this piece first, but we had the sharp edge on the bottom. I tried what the rod would look like that you guys suggested on it. I tried a combo of the two. What I came out is going to be best. It's this right angle piece. Now I've got to use the shrinker and stretcher and get this actually shaped to this curve. So let's get to it. Quick tip, when you're working on a compound curve like this, easy way to check it is just to be able to lay it on top. And I can see that my curve here is perfect, but I've got some areas to work on here and here before it's ready. Now the bottom piece is a little different. Instead of being the 1.25 inch by 1.25 inch right angle we made here, it's going to be 1.25 inch by 3.5 inch, and that's because all this stuff protrudes out. So we're going to take and line it all up, trace it, and try to get a nice clean cut to make a good cap for the end of it.
Now that I'm done grinding, it has a real high sheen to it, and I really don't like the look of it. So what I'm going to do is take an orbital sander, 150 grit, and lightly touch it just to kind of dull it out. That way it's not so shiny. Alright, I've been sitting here for a while staring at it. Now sanding it helped a lot. It knocked down the shine on it. It looks better. Now, I know I need to get a rotary tool with a small bit and go in along the edges of the molding and sharpen it up and make it look crisper. Now what I did was I built up my weld inside the molding until it capped it off. That way I could just grind it down and make it look clean. But there's something missing. And the more I stare at it, I think it finally hit me. If I go through and put 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch holes all the way along it, like a dimple die, I think it'll really complete the look. So, you guys know if somebody's got deals on dimple dies, let me know. Other than that, I'll see you next week.
For those of you looking to show your support, go out to brokebastardgarage.com. Click on BBG gear and look at all the different items we offer. Now shirts and hats are all pressed by me to keep the cost down so that all the profits go to making more videos. Appreciate the support, guys.